The Bonfire on the Hill. A sleep story from the village. Welcome, dear soul, to this meditation on release and renewal. Take a deep breath in and gently let it go. Again, in and out. The world outside grows quiet now. Your body grows heavy. Your breath deep. Your heart calm. Beyond the edge of the waking world lies a familiar place. A place that welcomes you back each time you close your eyes. It is known as the village. Tonight, something special awaits you there. A gathering on the hillside, beneath an autumn sky. A great bonfire burns in the distance, its light flickering softly, like a heartbeat of the season. Tonight you will walk there and offer all that you wish to release into the fire. You begin at the edge of the village. The cobblestones glisten faintly under a pale moon. The scent of wood smoke drifts gently through the air. Lanterns hang from doorways, and behind the windows you see faces glowing in golden light. Villagers preparing to make their own way up the hill. you start to walk. The path leads between cottages, past the well, past the little shop that sells herbs and honey and charms. A cat watches you from a windowsill, its eyes reflecting the flicker of the distant fire. The night feels alive, not with noise, but with quiet anticipation. The path begins to climb. Beneath your feet, the stones give way to earth, soft with fallen leaves that crunch gently as you walk. Each step feels lighter than the last. The village below glows like a constellation, a cluster of golden lights in the valley, breathing warm into the night. You feel a soft pull within you, as if the fire on the hill is not calling you forward, but calling something out of you, something you're ready to let go of. You reach a small wooden gate halfway up the hill. A villager stands there, smiling kindly. They hand you a small slip of parchment and a piece of charcoal. Write what you wish to release, they whisper softly. You take a breath, and on the parchment you write a word, or perhaps a feeling. Something you've carried too long. It could be a worry, sadness, self-doubt, or simply the weight of yesterday. You write it down on the parchment. You fold the parchment gently, and the villager nods, motioning for you to continue forward toward the glow above. The hilltop opens wide, and before you stands the great bonfire. It roars softly, not wild, but strong and steady. A pillar of golden light reaching toward the stars. Around the bonfire, villagers stand in peaceful silence. Some hold hands. Others simply watch the flames, their faces glowing with reflection and release. You find a quiet place near the edge. The warmth touches your cheeks, and the fire crackles like a kind old voice telling ancient stories. Every few moments, someone steps forward and drops their parchment into the flames. Each one lifts briefly, curls and becomes a wisp of light that drifts upward into the night sky. Now it is your turn. You step forward. You open your hand. You hold your parchment to your heart. Then gently you release it to the fire. catches the light instantly, glowing, curling and rising. And as it burns away, you feel something within you ease. A space opens where there once was weight. A calm warmth settles into its place. You whisper softly, "I let go." You sit upon the grass, feeling the earth beneath you. The warmth of the fire moves through your body, a gentle rhythm that seems to breathe in time with your own. The stars shimmer above, reflected faintly in your eyes. For a long moment, there is only peace. The fire, the wind, the night, and your breath. In the stillness, you sense something. The presence of those who have come before, the ancestors, the loved ones, the spirits of the village that linger with quiet kindness. They stand at the edge of the light, watching over those who gather, blessing each release, each renewal. Their presence feels like warmth at your back, reassuring, gentle, eternal. After a time, the villagers begin to leave. You rise slowly, feeling lighter than when you arrived. The path down the hill glows faintly with embers. Small pieces of warmth carried by the wind. You walk slowly. Your body relaxed. Your heart open. Below, the village sleeps. Chimneys send threads of smoke into the night, and the river glimmers in the moonlight. The sound of fire fades behind you, replaced by the steady rhythm of your own breath. You whisper softly to yourself, I have let go. I am free to rest. You reach the edge of the village once more. The wishing well glows softly nearby, its water reflecting the last flickers of the bonfire. You pause, taking one final deep breath. The air feels clearer now, fresh with promise, calm and release. You walk toward your cottage. Inside, the fire burns low, your bed waiting, soft and warm. You lie down, feeling peace settle over you like a blanket. Outside, the hill glows faintly in the distance. A beacon of renewal. A reminder that you can always let go and begin again. You close your eyes. You drift into sleep. And the village holds you in its quiet embrace.